In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the brush tool in Adobe Illustrator. We'll walk through choosing the brush tool, picking a brush style, painting smooth strokes, and customizing the look with color, weight, and transparency. I'll also show you how to switch styles on existing strokes without redrawing anything, so you can experiment freely and keep your workflow flexible. Start by selecting the brush tool. You can click it in the toolbar or press the B key as a quick shortcut. If you don't see the exact tool you expect, make sure you're choosing the paintbrush tool rather than the blob brush, since they behave differently. With the brush tool active, your cursor will follow your hand movement and translate it into a vector stroke. Next, open the Brushes panel. If it isn't visible, go to the Window menu and choose Brushes. This panel is where you pick the brush style that defines the character of your stroke. From clean calligraphic lines to textured art and pattern brushes, simply click a brush in the panel to make it active. You'll see the preview of each style to help you choose something that fits your design. Now, click and drag on the artboard to paint. Illustrator records your path and applies the selected brush style to it. If your stroke isn't showing the color you expect, make sure you're editing the stroke color, not the fill, since brushes apply to the stroke attribute. You can also zoom in for more control or slow down your hand movement for smoother curves. To customize the look, head to the control panel at the top or the appearance panel. Change the stroke color to set the hue, adjust the weight to make the line thicker or thinner, and lower the opacity to add transparency. The appearance panel is great because it shows the stroke as an effect on your path, letting you stack attributes and revisit settings later without losing quality. If you want to try a different brush style on a stroke you've already drawn, select the stroke first, use the selection tool to click the path, then go back to the Brushes panel and choose a different brush. Illustrator will instantly reapply the new style to your existing path, which is an easy way to iterate on a look without redrawing. If the result is too bold or subtle, fine-tune the weight and color again in the control or appearance panel. That's it. Select the brush tool, pick a style, paint your strokes, adjust the appearance, and swap styles anytime. Practice a few passes and you'll quickly find a style